Hey, y'all, welcome back to another episode of Lake Living in Alabama. I'm on the hunt this afternoon for what I think might be a very good investment here on Smith Lake. We're going to be scouting out this listing. It's in Bremen, Alabama. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, all right, listed in the low 700s. I want to see if we can add an additional bedroom to this listing and really optimize the value. So think, let's use it for a few seasons, possibly get some vacation rental value out of it, and then maybe in 2 to 4 years sell it at a much higher profit because we've added that bedroom. We've also added maybe a couple lifestyle features that will increase the value. So stay tuned for that. But interesting to note about this property's location is that it is less than 50 minutes from downtown Birmingham. So if you're commuting from Birmingham, anywhere in that greater Birmingham area, you're looking at less than an hour, a little over an hour. So that's very attractive. Now you're going to pass some key things on the way to this listing. The first of them being Bubba Rita's. Now I want you to think like Chipotle, only fresher and less expensive. All right, and then you're going to come by S&S. It's going to be on your left on County Road 216, I believe it is. Now, S&S is known for having some of the best cuts of meat. I mean, their butcher department is just like, it's A+. Like, I've had some people have dined at the finest steakhouses in the world, and they love to put a cut of S&S meat on their grill. The other thing is the bakery. They bake everything in-house, and it is delicious, y'all. And they've got some pre-made meals and stuff. So this is an ideal place to stop on your way to your lake house. You get off the interstate. You got grab and go stuff. You got Bubba Rita's. You got a big like truck stop that's got all the stuff there. So let's go inside. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek at some of my favorite things in there. Yes, the butcher department and the bakery department, but they also make their own spices here, which I absolutely love. So let's go inside and take a look, and then we'll head to the listing and see if we can't, maybe find a good investment here. Kind of a diamond in the rough, if you will. That's a little cheesy, huh? Anyway, let's go inside. Here we are at 670 County Road 244. Lots and lots of things to show you, but two things right off the bat, or probably three. We've got plenty of guest parking. That is extremely important to a lot of folks. But you've got the storage building right here with the ramp. I mean, that's pretty bougie, right? So keep all your lawn equipment, whatever else you wanted to put in there. But we've got this big, spacious carport. So you could fit, depending on the size of the vehicles, you could definitely fit more than 2 vehicles in that carport, or have a place to put like your jet ski or something in there and a couple vehicles. So carports, garages, y'all should know by now, super rare here on the lake. But we're talking about the investment value of this property. So right when you walk through this main entry door here, what we've got there is like your traditional kind of space you'd find in a basement level, right? So it's got almost a full kitchen, got a microwave, it's got a full fridge. I mean, it's very, very attractive. And then it does this L shape, right? Got a fireplace down there. So this could be really your primary entertaining space when you had guests over. So many possibilities, but we're going to talk about more ways to add value once we go inside. So let me quit rambling and let's go check it out. Alrighty, y'all, welcome inside. Man, look at all this space. Beautiful kitchen, solid surface countertops. I mean, it would be easy to add just one of those countertop ranges, and then you'd have everything you need down here to cook. You got the microwave, you got the full fridge, stainless undermount sink, wood burning fireplace behind the camera. We've got some gas heat right here. And so this is what Dawn was helping me envision while she was here. You've got a wall, starts somewhere in this area, goes this way. You keep a nice, wide, ADA compliant hallway right here. You could have the wall go right here in between these two windows. So you would add one window to the bedroom. So it's good to have options, right? So that option is there. The more I think about it, the more I'm like, I just love this open space. I mean, for entertaining, imagine having your guests here. They have their own fireplace, their own deck with a like incredibly massive lake view. You know, they got their own kitchen, full bathroom, so they can kind of get up in the morning and do their thing and not have to worry about waking anybody up and just having their own space. And as soon as you walk through the door, bam, beautiful view. The only thing that's going on with the view is that it's obstructed by some tree limbs. I would trim those up, and man, you want to talk about massive view, but also panoramic view. I love these floors. This is the kind of the tile floors that look like wood. You got ceramic tile right here that leads you to your laundry room space and your full bath. Just can't say enough about this space. All right, y'all, just flip the camera around so you can see the full L shape of the room. Closet's right here. You've got a door that closes off the stairwell there, so it adds that element of privacy. Again, let's look how attractive this fireplace area is with the mantle. I mean, this would just be a really great place to entertain folks. I mean, I'm thinking like if you're in sales, you're inviting them here. They got a wood-burning fireplace. They've got all this outdoor area here to utilize and just grill and have a cocktail and have coffee. It's just all so perfect. So let's go outside real quick and explore the outdoor living space on this level, and then we'll go upstairs and see what that has to offer, and then we'll head down to the dock. All right, so very spacious covered concrete area. Then we have our wood deck area over here with just like an incredible view. It's so amazing. So I just love the space for like hanging out, doing life. So many people get hung up on the interior of the house. I'm like, look, this is where it's all happening. Out here in the outdoor living spaces, we spend so much time outside. But what I would do here is screen this in, okay? Screen this section in, and we have got and really inviting space. This breeze, I wish you guys could feel it. You know, there's gonna be some nights where that breeze isn't gonna be blowing through here like that, and you know, it might get a little buggy and just a little bit. And to have this whole area screened in would be just so nice. But for now, before I screw up another clip, we need to go upstairs and take a look at that second level, see what's going on up there. And we'll see if we can find some other areas to add value to this listing. And then also, I'm gonna drop the new price on you once we get up there. Y'all, lots going on up here on this second level. Can't wait to point it out. Goes without saying, you've got a really nice kitchen, solid surface countertops, stainless steel undermount sink, lots of cabinets, lots of counter space. Right in front of the camera right there is your dining space. You can put a nice big round table there. You have a side covered porch area right here, and it's got the hardware for drapes because your son is going to set right here, and you know, maybe that can get intense sometimes. You might want to, you know, draw the drapes. It would add extra privacy. But the way the lot goes and this tree coverage right here, you've got really good privacy really on both sides, which I like. And then they've got their grill right here, so perfect position for grilling right by the kitchen and the condiments and all that good stuff. All right, let's go in here and take a look at this view, which if this doesn't sell it for you, nothing will. All right, y'all, brand new windows all the way around, under warranty, huh? How about that? But man, just everywhere you look, there's water. It's an amazing water view, and that is what makes this living room so exceptional. It's just all about the view. I mean, it's so serene up here. Just think about this. You short drive from Birmingham to get here to this view, to melt away the stress of the work week. And it's so close that it's just going to be so effortless. You know, you can stop at S&S Foods on the way in, get your groceries, come here and just let it all melt away. What do you guys think? Was I blowing smoke, or is that an amazing view? I think that's an amazing view. And the great thing about this view is that it could be even better. And that would obviously increase the value of the house to open this view up even more. So many possibilities here, but for right now, let me remove my head from the view of the view. All right, so no pavers out here. This is actually tile, which is very, very attractive. Regardless, we've got the just super low maintenance vinyl siding out here, but I would put a high top table here, and this would kind of be my coffee space, my morning coffee space. But what I mainly want to point out from this vantage point here is that, you know, our property line is right here. So we got about 3 or 4 trees on our side of the property here that you could thin these out and just really open up that view. All right, so follow me down here to the end of the hallway here to the 2 bedroom suites. This is the larger of the 2, so this would be your primary. Now that first door on your right is going to be your primary bath / guest bath for this level. In my opinion, this is a great entry level lake house on Smith Lake, kind of upper entry level, because it is so nice. There's no work that needs to be done. So there's nothing to do up here. There's no way to, you know, take any walls out or add any space up here. But what you need to know is that this property at the time of this video is being recorded, this listing is on the market for $719,000. It is soon to be reduced drastically, over 20 grand, to go to $698,900. And I think we have, you know, it's probably safe to say and fair to say we're dealing with a motivated seller who's got a great product. All right, you've got all the space you really need. You're not going to have this grand master suite. You're not going to have this grand master bath. But again, you don't need it. It's all about the view. It's all about the outdoor living space. To me, it's all about the location. This being on the Cullman side, you're just going to have naturally better appreciation being on the Cullman side of Smith Lake and having this quick access from the interstate to the lake. Now, you also have a very impressive, I think, vacation rental upside with it being so close to the interstate. If people have never been to Smith Lake, it can be overwhelming trying to navigate to a lake house, especially if it's getting close to dark or it's after dark. So that can be an issue. One of the things you could advertise, in addition to naming the property around this big crazy view that it's got, is that it's just easy to access from the interstate, easy to access from Birmingham or Huntsville. Those are attractive, you know, features when people are shopping for a rental. So I think, all right, so, you know, maybe we can get this house $695 and a sales price as a high, maybe $685 as a low. We can offset that cost with a minimum. I'm thinking $30,000. All right, $30,000 minimum. I think it's more realistic. Could be doing over 40, especially if we screen in the area downstairs. We start doing some of the things that I'm recommending. It can really beat this up. So you can take the attractive list price, combine that with the offsetting of the cost through the vacation rental, if you so choose to do that. But then we've got all these other things that we can do to increase the value. So in 2 to 4 years, you know, hopefully we're looking at $100,000 plus in profit. And so we've got 2 to 4 seasons of just amazing memories. And, you know, entry level, it's not going to break the bank. We're offsetting the cost. We're using that cost offset to add screened in porches and some here or there, you know, little additions, maybe that outdoor kitchen, some other cool features, and then we sell it and we take that equity and we move it into a bigger lake house, and it just keeps going like that. That's how it goes. That's the cycle. That's the lifestyle cycle. Just keeps going like that. That's the cycle of lifestyle upgrading. right, so we do have our fair share of steps here at this listing, but there's a couple things I want to point out here that offset that. You've got the transitions. So you've got one here, you've got another one down in the next section, but that also doubles as a whole other outdoor living space area down there, which is super cool. And you've got a lot of room to expand that even more, to make it even bigger, which would be very, very nice, especially if you love to entertain like I do. But let's say you've got, you know, the grandparents coming in and maybe all of these stairs combined too much for them. You've got a motorized little seat here area. I was going to take this off and ride this down, but number one, I've heard it goes really, really slow. And number two, I didn't want to break it. But cool feature right here, right? I love it. All right, so a multi-level boat dock, which is very attractive in my opinion. In addition to a metal roof on the house, you've got, you know, the metal roof here on the boathouse. This is going to last a long time. It looks like it's been recently stained. You've got real wood decking here, and it's just very, very attractive and very good shape. Again, that pride of ownership just follows us all the way down here to the lake. So you could furnish this area up here, but what this is for, in my opinion, this is hours and hours of free entertainment for any child. They're just going to jump off this. Cannonballs all day long, hours and hours of free entertainment to kind of, you know, help you mitigate that, I'm bored, you know, ain't gonna get bored here. Let's go downstairs and check out the main level and see what's going on down there. All right, no hydraulic lift, but just the perfect slip for a nice sized pontoon boat. You can see this is a Big Daddy right here. These things don't need to come out of the water. You know, pull them out every now and then, pressure wash those tunes, get that grime off there, you're good to go. Big jet ski ports right here. I love these. They've got the good ladder. That is a nice ladder, y'all. It's great for old folks like me. It's great for pets. But you have a little covered area here, big open swim platform. What else can I tell you about it? All right, so the only con of this dock is this on the main channel. And the main channel ain't for everybody, you know. It's gonna be jet skis and wake boats and pontoons. Right now it's the weekday and there ain't a soul out here, and that's I'm living for the weeks on the lake, but that would be the only thing to point out here. Yeah, an exceptional dock, needs a very light pressure wash, and it is good to go. All right, y'all, I hope I piqued your interest with this one. I really, really strongly feel like this is going to be a great investment for somebody out there that's watching. So if you think that might be you, call me, 251-583-9728. You can call or text. If you're like, oh, Jason, I appreciate you trying to point out that this is a great investment and has a great equity building upside as well as a vacation real investment upside, but I want that big grand Mac Daddy. I'm ready to spend some big bucks. Just go to smithlakeactivelistings.com, smithlakeactivelistings.com. That's gonna give you access to every active MLS listing here on Smith Lake, from 4 million all the way down. So go check that out. But I'm happy to create these videos for you guys back at home. If you're out of the area, out of state, you want me to come check the stairs, you want me to check the depth of the dock, whatever you guys need, I'm your boots on the ground. Jason Will, real estate broker with Blueprint Realty Company. I hope you guys will join us real soon for another episode of Lake Living in Alabama. I appreciate you watching to the end. Share this with a friend who's looking for an affordable lake house, because I'm telling you, this is going to be a great buy, and they're going to thank you for it when they turn around and sell it a couple years from now. See you guys on the next one. Bye.